welcome to the Florida Cracker Road Trips. We're going to do a wonderful Florida grouper. Here we have this Florida grouper, and I just marinated it and just whatever I have in my refrigerator, like any kind of dressings. One of my main ingredients is Florida key lime juice. You can actually buy it or you can squeeze them yourself. So you just marinate it anywhere from, I don't know, a couple hours, or you can marinate it overnight. It doesn't matter. So just like this, and then what I do with the marinade, I can put the nopales in here and now marinate that for our next dish, which will be our nopales salad. So we're just going to take this off to the grill, and we will let that cook for on the side, maybe about 2 minutes or so. Just wait, it depends upon the thickness of the fish that you get. So then once we get that done, we'll be back. Alright, so here, now see our nopales is cooked. The fish has got a nice little crisp on it. And now I'm just going to make a little Florida fish taco, which I'm sure you all have had. Oh, and by the way, with the marinade, one of the special secrets is you add a little bit of beer in there. So, yeah, so here we go. We're just going to throw this on, heat it up, and then we're going to take it off the grill. And see, our corn is all nice and done. So we'll take it from there.
Cracker Road Trips. Got some grouper from Poles in Daytona. Happy 4th of July. Got grouper, we got the nopales, we got onions, we got some tomatoes. You know, live, love, and cook.